Lesson number 20. Festival Explanation. It occurs usually on 14 January every year. The sun is supposed to move to the Makar or Capricorn sun sign. This is the day when the sun starts Uttarayan. On this day, people in Maharashtra visit one another and give sweets prepared of sesame and gur and says, Tilgul घ्या आणि गोड गोड बोला. Eat sweet, speak sweet. People make gulachi poli and khichdi on this day for lunch. It's a harvest festival. Women distribute fresh ears of grain, bits of sugarcane, vegetables, etc. in beautiful earthen pots. Women give one another gifts. It's a festival of gifts. People in Gujarat fly kites. It's a kite festival. People in Tamil Nadu celebrate Pongal, the sun festival. In Maharashtra, people celebrate Ganeshotsav on a large scale for 10 days. When does it occur? As per lunar calendar, it occurs on the 4th day in the month of Bhadrapad. As per Gregorian calendar, it usually occurs in August or September. What do people do on that occasion? The devotees bring home the idols of Sri Ganesh. With great belief in God, the idol is installed and worshipped with prayers. The mandap for Ganesh is decorated at home with great enthusiasm. At many public places, huge idols are installed in huge mandap. It is called Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav. This festival of Sarvajanik Utsav is started by the great, popular, respectable freedom fighter Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He brought the people together for the freedom movement. The idol of Sri Ganesh is revered for 10 days. During these 10 days, Aarti is performed daily in the morning and evening. Special prasad is distributed. Sri Ganesh likes modaks, prepared for coconut and gul with rice flour. After 10 days on the day of Anant Chaturdashi, the idol is immersed in a sea or a lake. This is called Visarjan. Do you invite other people? Relatives and friends drop in during these 10 days for darshan and to seek the Lord's blessings. Holidays in a school. Schools are generally closed on the first Ganesh Chaturthi and the last day Anant Chaturdashi of the festival. Lord Ganesh is worshipped first in any puja. Lord is the Buddhi Devta, gives buddhi, cleverness. This festival is eagerly awaited by everyone all over Maharashtra and many other parts of India. Like Ganeshotsav in Maharashtra, Navratri festival of goddess Durga is celebrated in West Bengal on a large scale.